Hello, my name is Joanna Murcia. I am 36 years old. I am married and mother of two children. They are really studying high school. My husband is a logistics coordinator. They are my life and my to be always happy with them. I am love. I work as in information analyst. I am the company of technology. Last year, and I have the illusion of the finish and obtain the title professional, which engineering system. My family, my loves travel. During Holy Week, I traveled with my husband and children to Cali. I was great. Although in the season the trips are expensive and my gift it was cheap. I stayed and cooked at my cousin's house. We were walking through the museums and parks of Cali. We went to swim to the pool and 2 days before return to our seats. We meet the show without under each one of the displays and mandatory Steve in Cali. It is a day of walking, interacting with a different environment that reclaims the place. Cali is a city which warm weather. It's very hot. The south of Cali. The warrior zone in Cali is very hot. To go to south in Cali, it's necessary that you wear comfortable shoes to go to south. It's necessary to use sunglasses. It's very long shorts. It's best to always win together as family. It's necessary to use sunscreen. It's necessary to carry a lot of water and oil to hydrate. You should not feed the animals. You must take camera and take many pictures of animals. You should buy ticket at the bus office. Inside the show, you should get with the map. What you should do, you must show the explanatory brochure on the south and choose to visit the animals that you like the most. You had better try your eat to the some food is too expensive. What you should do, what you should pay your passport outside the box office. What should not they put photos with flash. You can scare the animals. Thank you.